Ako bro, I agree with
him.
Attorney Macalental, no? Kasi totoo naman, wala naman siyang charges dito, hindi naman siya dito na aresto, no? Tawag dito, everything was processed and everything happened under the jurisdiction and the laws of the land of Indonesia, no? Kaya I think it's just right, no, to consider Veloso a free woman talaga dito sa Pilipinas, no? Kasi feeling ko, di ba hindi naman transferable? Yung charges from one country to another.
Yeah. Hopefully that's the case, no? Kasi but when they signed the papers,
Agreement,
the agreement for Mary Jane's repatriation, somehow nagpasaring si Indonesia eh. Nagpasaring siya na sana i-uphold yung status ni Mary Jane as prisoner.
Dito,
Sinabi ni Prime Chuchu, ganyan.
si
Pero, sabi din, meron
si
disclaimer.
Si Prabowo, yan.
Hindi ata si Prabowo,
hindi
basta
ba siya?
under something. Pero, sinabi pa rin, it would respect the decision of the Philippine government
Kung ano
as
yung,
to whether
anong gagawin kay
grant
Veloso.
clemency, although clemency cannot be granted
Oo,
here.
kasi hindi naman siya convicted dito eh, di ba?
Pero by allowing her to return, it parang somehow it's clemency in effect eh. Pero what's done?
Clemency on the end of the Indonesian government.
Somehow. And then they've been very somehow magnanimous by giving her a reprieve, 'di ba, last minute, 'di ba, yung he was being
Oo.
somehow executed tapos may nahuli din sa Pilipinas ng mga